Baby, you always hear when I'm doing filming, don't you? Go back, you go back to sleep, boy. I'm just doing filming. Can you hear noise outside? What is it? What's that noise? Is it people? Is it Toby next door? But look at the window. What is it, baby boy? What is it? Is it Jonah? Where's Jonah? Or is it Nanny? Or is it Lewis? Is it Lewis? Where is he? Where's Lewis? No, it's not out. It's not out the window. No. Have a look for him. Let's have a look. Can you see him? No, he's not there, is he? I'll just wind you up, Magna. Good boy you are. That's it. Go back to bed. That's it. Oh, big. There's a money shot. There's a money shot. Those powerful legs and beautiful face. Ragnar, love you. Oh, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. At the moment, we're down Dungeness, which is a seaside place on the south east coast of the UK. Yeah, Ragnar doesn't like the pebbles, he likes sand. Yeah, it's a funny old place this. Just such a fun atmosphere down here. I don't know why. But yeah, nice little picture of the train, isn't it? So over here, nice houses. People fishing down the bottom there. People riding bikes. Bam, hang on. You park up vans down there. What's that? Oh, look at these bushes. Look, they look like roses, I think. That's are they? I don't know. Hang on, back now. You're a beautiful boy, Magna. Magna, come on, you. Want to get up there? Magna, want to get up in the wall? Come on then. You want to get up there then? Come on then. I'm going to pick you up. Oh, come on. You can get up there. Come on, come up. Come on, get up there. That's it. he loves going on. I was just about to say, he loves walking on the edge. Turn it up. Goes about saying. Fisherman down there. Yeah, you watch Ragnar, he hates, look, watch the way he walks, look. See the way he picks up his front paws. And look at these. These are cabbage. Yeah, so today, we're just having an Eric and Ragnar day today. Every Ragnar, tomorrow's been stuck in the workshop, right front of the workshop. We thought we'd have a little adventure. So we'll go here, we'll stay here for probably an hour, and then we've got some breakfast for me. So Ragnar's already got his chicken. That's what we had last night. And yeah, that's it really. Then we go to another place.